Today we're going to bring an Android tablet. Now everything you see is including the actual cable, and they give you a little brick so you can actually connect the key systems to connect and charge. All right. So not only are you going to get this great value, but you also get a keyboard, wireless mouse. Now this keyboard is compatible with not just this device, but other devices too. This is a Bluetooth keyboard that's included with it. Has a metal base in the bottom. It has an off and on button. It's rechargeable and also Bluetooth, including with the actual mouse too. It has a great mouse that you carry around with you. And inside the mouse, you guys can see that they give you the actual USB dongle, so you could plug it in directly to it. You can have the mouse, keyboard all working within one. They give you this little adapter so you could get the wireless system out there. If you don't want to use this for this system and just use it as a tablet, you can use it as a tablet too. I like the features that they give you. Let's take a look at the actual system itself. The tablet, I actually charged it for a whole complete day, and I haven't charged it for a whole week. And it's at 29% as it is right now. Now you are gonna require to set up your Google account if you want to access certain features, like if you want to access your account for your Google applications, anything that you want. If you have Netflix or anything, you can install this stuff. Now, in order to do that, you are gonna need your credentials. If you have a Google account, it's gonna work great with the Google Play Store. So let's take a look at some of the stuff. If you guys notice, they give you a case here. In this case, it's very durable, magnetic. It shuts itself off. It has access for the camera. Now we're going to open up the camera so you guys can see. On the camera, you got your feature for your video and also capturing devices. Now you can zoom in, zoom out. It does good quality. It's almost like a 1080, almost a 2K, depending on the actual footage. You could change the settings here too. Now there's two cameras. There's a facing camera in the top, if you guys can see that, and there's one in the back. The system's compatible with a lot of video conferencing software that's out there, including Zoom and Microsoft applications. Now, I've used this for meetings before when I'm in the field or so forth. Now let's take a look at some of the buttons that are available, right? You got a couple of buttons here. You got the volume control, power on, and you got the USB Type C to charge the device here, if you guys can see that. On the other side, you got the speakers. On this far end right here, this is going to be for a SIM card. If you want to make this wireless, you can carry this with you anywhere. If you could make a wireless device too also by providing your own SIM card from a vendor. Best things I like that I could review some of the videos I took. All right, we're going to test out the actual video of it. And that's the video I just captured earlier today. We want to see some, audio's really loud on this one, so I'm going to put it mute. The quality of it, if you want to watch movies or anything, it's also really high quality on this one. Now, I use this to entertain people. I give it to kids. That I put a bunch of games in here, and a lot of games are compatible with it. I used actually remote controls, gaming pads compatible with Bluetooth. They actually picked up pretty good. It comes with all these accessories. It's great for a gift. It's great for a present or for yourself. If you want to entertain yourself, get the latest information from your social media, news and outlets and everything, and even watch TV from here. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.